Hello everyone, I'm Monia, pursuing ME in Information Security from Thapa University. Here's my topic, PSO-based trust management in wireless internet. From this video, anyone can take help and enhance this topic for further research. Before explaining my topic, I would like to explain what's the wireless sensor network. While, as we already know that wireless sensor network is a combination of small sensor nodes called nodes, with every node having capability of detecting and sending the information to different nodes utilizing the radio signal. Due to the restricted resources, it is challenging to provide security like privacy, authentication, and confidential. It occurs and efficient solutions in a wide variety of applications where security plays a very important role. Here security plays very important role, so here the question arises over what here the question arises that our information which is transmitted through these nodes should be reliable or not. So here security is the ability of trust to one another where we use the word trust. From to overcome these security challenges like authentication, privacy, confidentiality, we use trust mechanism to overcome these challenges. A trust is defined as the reliability of belief. So we use trust-based management model to provide the trust on the behavior of different nodes over the net. It's a very small diagram where these are the sensor nodes. Black dot consists the cluster head. So every cluster head collects the information for if any event occur in these areas. So every cluster head sends that information and send this information to the base station, and then base station send to this information further to through satellite further to the user. From this we can find out is there any problem in that area or not. So here is a trust model, for example, where two sensor nodes want to communicate with each other. So how trust is calculated? Trust will be calculated on the basis of some parameter observations like how much packet communication, cryptographic correction, energy, data, recommendation, location. In communication we have like how many packets sent, how many packets received from that node. From these we can calculate the trust value, how much amount of energy in that node. From this we can calculate the trust value, recommendation received, recommendation drop, location on the basis of the location also. After that, the next process is information storage. Then calculate the trust value and then store that information in a trust management system where we use the trust model like fuzzy model, like entropy model, like Bayesian model, like human trust, or maybe bio inspired trust techniques. From this model we will calculate the trust, and then we can update the trust value, and then this trust management system is used in the application like application layer, like transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and physical layer. So it's a whole scenario of the how trust is calculated between the two nodes. So trust can be calculated from two sources like direct trust calculation and indirect trust calculation. Direct trust determines the trust value on the basis where I have calculated the direct trust on the basis of the packet forwarding and receiving, and also from distance factor. An indirect trust is recommended by the other nodes to their past experience. Here is an example like A and B nodes have direct experience information, and where this dotted line shows collection of indirect information about node B from its neighboring nodes. So this is my BSO based in efficient trust management model which I have developed. This is this in this model I have calculated the trust value of each and every node. Each node have trust table where it has direct trust and indirect trust. After that, it calculates the total trust calculation of direct and indirect total trust. If any node become malicious or any node lost their data, we have some trust value. We can also recover that trust node by some checkpointing and recovery techniques. After that total trust calculation update, we use the updation technique like PSO, particle swarm optimization technique. It is an optimization algorithm which is used to solve the iteratively problem to find out the best and good quality of solution. When we have find out the optimized result, then we choose the trustworthy node to forward that node for further use, like to calculate the trust path so that any node can rely on that node because it is a trustworthy. So here's my implementation part where I've taken these sensor nodes in a randomly distributed area where these dead nodes represent that these are the dead nodes where it consists the less amount of energy. Next is I have calculated the trust value of various nodes. I have taken the 100 nodes. It shows the variations trust among nodes. I calculate the trust value of each node. Then first node depicts how much number of node as per the rounds. And second node depicts the as the number of node increases, the number of alive nodes also decreases. And the third plot depicts that number of as number of round increases, number of packet to the base station is also increases. And the fourth is how many number of count of cluster head as per round. Next is it gives the network lifetime, how much number of alive nodes. Next, I have accumulated the optimized value where I've used W based 1 and W based 2 are weight, which is used to calculate the best weighted neighbor and cluster head adjustment. From this we can calculate the optimized value. And then it's my conclusion and future scope. Our proposed model conclude that there contains a sustained ad node in finding the trust on any neighbor node. This trust management increase the reliability and security in the village protocol. In future, I can extend this model by taking some other factors and also enhance the security. In future, I will implement HOD, that's called Human Opinion Dynamic Approach, which is used to provide the optimal result. It gives rise to the development of various kinds of opinions in a society. Then I can compare this HOD with the PSO approach. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.